Snack Manifesto.
I've discovered the meaning in the crunch. Not just a snack, it's a philosophical lunch. Every chip contains the cosmos in its curve. The salt crystals hold the answers we deserve. Been contemplating this bag for 30 minutes straight, and I think I figured out the nature of fate. Hunger's just a messenger from deep inside, telling me to slow down and enjoy the ride. Everything tastes better when you're really here. Every flavor's teaching something crystal clear. I'm achieving nirvana through this sandwich, man. Understanding life through peanut butter and jam. And jam, and jam, and jam. This is spiritual nutrition. This is my delicious mission. The refrigerator lights a portal to another dimension. Every leftover's got a story worth a mention. Yeah, that pizza from Thursday's got so much to say about impermanence and how nothing stays the same way. Yeah, I'm eating slow like a monk in meditation. Each bite's a step toward total transformation. They say you are what you eat, and that's so deep, especially when you think about it before you sleep. Everything tastes better when you're really here. Every flavor's teaching something crystal clear. I'm achieving nirvana through this sandwich, man. Understanding life through peanut butter and jam. And jam, and jam, jam. This is spiritual nutrition. This is my delicious mission. Why does melted cheese understand me? Why do nachos set me free? The microwave is humming ancient wisdom. 3 minutes feels like the whole system. Where that mindful eating changes everything. So I've been studying this burrito like it's offering the secrets of the universe, wrapped in a tortilla shell with guacamole, consciousness, and salsa truth to tell. Every ingredient's a teacher if you listen close. The beans are very wise, the sour cream's verbose. Gonna meal prep tomorrow, gonna organize, gonna optimize my nutrition, gonna be so wise. Right after I finish understanding these fries, how they embody the duality of crispy and soft inside. Yeah, tomorrow, so good. Tomorrow I'll start. Tomorrow understood. Tomorrow